Hi guys, my name is Sheikh. I want to teach you how to find mean and standard deviation in SPSS for groups. Okay, so actually this is one of the complex topic in analysis, so I want to explain that to you. Okay, so guys, these are two information on this screen. Okay, this is the SPSS and the data view is a page where you are to enter your data. Okay, and the variable view is where you are to declare your variables. Okay, and here I have my sex. Okay, and my decimal is 0. Okay, if you want to type text, click here and you select string. Okay, but because I want to type number, and that is why I have selected numeric. Okay, so guys, another thing that I did here is these values. Okay, for sex, so I want to say if I type 1, that is male. If I type 2, and that is a female. Okay, and that is what I've done under the variable view. So if I go back to my data view, so because this is a page where you have to enter the data. Okay, so we have find information, we have for sex and for satisfaction. Okay, so if I select this and click on this symbol here, you are going to see male, female, male, female. Okay, if I click on it to return it back to this number. Okay, so guys, actually we want to compare the mean and we want to look for the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, actually if you go to analyze, you click on descriptive statistics, you click on descriptive. Okay, so guys, this is the variable that we want to analyze. I'm going to click on this arrow button here so that we can transfer it to these variables. Okay, so if I click on these options, and actually we want to find the mean and we want to find the standard deviation. Okay, so I'm just going to uncheck this minimum and maximum, then you click on continue, then you click on OK. Okay, so guys, this is the result. Okay, all right, so we have the 10 people. Okay, the satisfied, and we have the mean to be 8.50 and our standard deviations to be 1.179. okay, but you are going to discover that this does not actually give us the sex, okay, the female and the male. Okay, so this is not good for us to use. Okay, so to find the mean and the standard deviation, so don't let us this is not perfect. That is what I want to say. Okay, so guys, when you click on this start button, then it will take you back to your data. Okay, so we want to calculate the we want to find the mean and the standard deviation properly. Okay, so guys, go to analyze and go to compare mean, and you click on mean. Okay, so guys, the sex is the dependent, the satisfaction is the dependent variable, because the satisfaction is depending on the sex. Okay, so I'm gonna click on satisfaction here, and my sex will go to the independent because it's actually not depending on anything. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna click on this options button, and actually this is correct, but let me select this, click on it, then you drag it up. Okay, I want the number of cases to come first. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this continue, click on OK. Beautiful. Can you see that? So we have our report and we have the sex. Okay, the number of people is 10. Okay, so we have the male 7, we have the female 3. Okay, and this is the mean for the 7 the people. Okay, and the female we have 9.00. Okay, and the total is 8.50. Okay, so when you look at the previous one you are going to discover that the mean is actually the 8.50. Okay, so we have the standard deviation for individual people. Okay, so for the standard deviation for 7 people which is male is at 1.254, and you are going to discover that this gives us a full information about the mean and the standard deviation, okay, compared to the descriptive, okay, compared to descriptive here, okay. Look at this guy. This is only giving us the satisfaction, okay. This is not perfect enough. So to look for the mean and standard deviation, so you go to analyze, compare mean and means, okay. So you still remember what we did here, then you click on OK. So this will give you an adequate information. So thank you so much once again. So in this video, we have been able to use our SPSS to calculate the mean and standard deviation of the information. So thank you. Bye.